So these events, I'm excited. So we have a lot of prizes here na ito sa Indo. And congratulations sa mga nag-perform for this year. So we like to thank our co-employee, ma'am. Thank you very much here for sharing this evening. Napaka-special sa wedding. Lalo na sa mga sellers.
As 2024 ends, nais namin magpasalamat sa inyo for all your hard work and effort. Kung wala sa inyo, nako kayo yung mataas na benta among the groups. Congratulations! Talagang from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much. Alam ko yung mga sleepless nights, alam ko naka-online kayo. So, thank you so much. So, this is one way of recognizing your effort. Continue lang tayo. Come 2025, marami pa tayong inventories na ibibenta, marami pang properties na may ibibenta sa ating mga customers.
We are grateful for all the efforts you exerted for continuous success of the company. Given this 19th day of December 2024, Ogma Sweets, Oragris, Legazpi City. So ito yung road to journey to success natin sa sales. Okay? So lahat ng mga hindi na tuloy na taking, so mga nag-waiting pa lang dyan, go lang. Okay? So every time, ang kaipuan pa lang ha, small sistema lang, game lang na everyday na kaipuan ang input. Kasi yung dramatic change, kaya yung kaipuan tayo, yung habitual, everyday na kaipuan na ilaw sa diri. Kasi kung iisipin mo yung big effort, then you'll find out the big result, then yan mangyayari. Ang mangyayari, every time you put in sa everything yung tigigibo, that's a big result ang luluwasan. So, to all contributor sa sales, congratulations and Merry Christmas.
Congratulations po and salamat sa inyong contribution para sa Migol team, and we expect more next year with the support of Mark, of course, and everyone, the sales officers and the backroom officers. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas.
Congratulations to all contributor for the year 2024. Okay, we have 2025 target. So one of our biggest contributions this year compared from last year. So ito yung pinakamalaking contribution natin ng sa in-house team. Hoping for next year,